In this chat, we're breaking down whether your new $10,000 roofing patio install is actually up to snuff, or if you're just being a little too picky about the details. Alright, so here's the deal when it comes to making sure a roofing patio job is solid. First, you gotta confirm they tore off the old roof completely, right down to the bare wood. That's step one for any legit fix, because if you leave old layers or damage under there, it's just gonna cause problems later. Next up, check if they replaced any damaged plywood with fresh 3/4 inch stuff, especially where leaks were happening. That's key. They should have prepped all the wood surfaces smooth for the new membrane to stick properly. No shortcuts there. Now, about the membrane itself. PVC membranes are common but can be sketchy because seams can open and cause leaks, especially at penetrations or corners. If you want something that lasts longer under foot traffic, seamless monolithic liquid membranes are way better. They don't have those weak seam points. Also, make sure the old siding and J-channels were carefully removed and set aside so they could reinstall without messing up your walls. That shows attention to detail. And remember, no random sections of the house should have been disturbed outside the patio area unless you asked for it. Lastly, always keep track of what materials were used. Deck tech is decent, but knowing if it's the right choice for your climate and usage matters a lot. One of the biggest mistakes people make when judging projects like this is expecting a perfect, flawless finish on a job that's really about functionality and long-term durability. Another common issue is not understanding how different membrane materials perform. PVC seams can fail, but many folks don't know that up front. And third, sometimes homeowners don't get clear communication about what exactly was replaced and why, which leads to doubt and second guessing. The fix? Ask for detailed explanations and even photos at every stage. Don't hesitate to get a second opinion from a roofing professional who specializes in patios and decks if you're unsure about material choices or installation methods. BigHomeProjects.com is actually pretty handy for stuff like this because it hooks you up with local contractors who have solid reviews and real experience in projects like your roofing patio. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a cool way to find new work without all the usual hassle, direct connections with homeowners who need help. So whether you're checking on a job or looking for trusted pros, it's a good spot to start.